Hi everyone.
Hi.
We are doing a mix and match hair vibes girl, which is really good at spinning. Watch.
Yeah, and it's a big one.
Okay, guys, so let's
Okay. Shh. All right.
open it.
Wait. First, let's take a look at the box. I remember there's lots of LOLs, but this one is the newest.
look. There's 15 surprises.
Message bottle. Most of the original stuff in LOL, but has a bunch of wigs.
Yep, like it's Velcro.
Ooh,
Like you can take the first hair off and then you can do another hairstyle.
mix and match hair. I wonder.
Secret message. I'm gonna see what the secret message is.
Wait, let me look. Oh wait, Gary,
I'm
watch.
doing a blind bag.
Do
Wow!
spinning one. Spinning wraps.
Okay, Chase,
You
now
want
you
to-
can do the other side.
Do you want to do that part, or do you need help to start?
Need help?
No,
Okay.
I do need help.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Alright.
I do this.
All right, everyone take a blind. I'm taking this. I got a blue one.
Yeah, that's the doll.
Let's save it for last.
The blue is a doll.
Everyone take something and
Yeah,
open.
I got one of the new hairs. They're really blue.
Ooh, so they're those are awesome looking wigs.
Wow! It's one of these. Yeah, it's one of these again.
I think we're gonna need Mr. Snips.
One of these again, guys. There, just need to pull it.
Okay, you open it. I had no idea when.
So you take it. Ooh.
So everyone put what you get in the wine bag in a pile, and I'll see what we got.
Wow! Look at this, Leah. It's clear.
I got this.
Leah, look at this. I got more hair.
More hair. That's hair.
Yeah.
That's hair.
Here, you open this one.
Hold on. You got a coat for it.
I just got this out of.
So we got a cone.
So you can keep.
We got one of
Ooh,
those
she got some blue
fanny
pops. Her
We got
thing
some
is
of
blue
this.
is blue and pink right now.
We got a soda. And can
Sophie
I
wants-
take a look at the hairs?
Sophie thinks that's a dress.
Let me look. It's a skirt.
Ooh, I found the shoes.
It's a skirt and
Yeah, those were the
jacket.
shoes. They have little pink pom-poms on the front.
Ooh, let's take a look what's in here. And Chase, can you
Dad,
show us
look
the
at
wigs?
shoes. Yeah, look at the shoes.
So here's one of the hairs.
Look
Oh,
at the
those are
shoes.
cute. That's a little bit too close, a little back. The other one. There you go. That was cute.
I know. I'm gonna open the other hair.
Ow.
Let's see the other hairstyles.
Oh, whoa.
Wow.
It's a little
It's
ponytail.
curly. The other one
Curly
is
ponytails.
Which one
And
we got?
there's pigtails and
where?
ponytails. You silly girl.
And Leah, look what there's also this.
Don't do that, please, though.
Yeah, there's
Ooh,
also
it's
this.
Ah.
soft.
Okay, can you give it to me so I can show her? And look at this.
Oh my god,
at
that's
these.
cute.
It kind of looks like a butt.
Up a little, up a little, up a little. Hey, that's your finger. Can you go? Okay. So, ow.
Okay.
Ew!
Check the guide, Gavin. Check the guide and see who it is.
I don't know where it is.
But Gavin, I think these are wigs, right? Wait, why are there Velcros on the wig?
Ooh.
Gavin, these wigs don't work.
Oh, because you have to take the back
Wait,
part
what?
off.
Wait, what? What did you just say?
You have to take the back part off.
Who just moved the table?
Velcro. And look what I found, guys.
This skirt is hard to get on.
These.
Ooh.
Look what I found.
This is another wig. These are other
I
wigs.
found, guys.
We already showed that to the camera, but okay.
Okay. You're being cute. And can we do? I know what hairstyle we should do. We should do this one. We should do this hairstyle, Leah. Let's do a soft one. Yeah, this one. Okay, this is gonna be her hairstyle.
Are you sure? First, let's get her dressed, though.
Oh, I found the Deluxe's guide.
Roger, we can also
That's what I got from
we
last
can
month.
also
And I was
spin-
opening one up.
We
off
can
camera.
also spin this easy watch, Gavin.
Their shoes are hard to get on.
Which
Let
one
me
did I get?
Let's
I can't
do
really
it.
get their shoes on, though, which
Ooh,
is
Leah,
real.
she's another color change. Leah, they're all color changers.
Wait, they all color change?
Yeah, all of them.
Why do all of them color change? I think we got jelly jam. Oh my god, a peanut butter girl. I need that.
Let me see. Where's the peanut butter girl?
With the opposites club. Peanut butter jelly time. I love that song. Remember?
It's in the same club as the one we got. Leah, did throw the pink overalls.
Let me see the shoe
Yes.
list.
Sophie, stop taking everything.
Awesome. There's the rules. Here's the rules.
Rules,
We
Gavin.
don't need those.
We ain't need those? Is that what you said?
We don't need those. Wait.
I can't get the shoes on. Okay, let's skip the shoes. I can't get them on. But Gavin, these don't go on very well.
Yeah, let me show. I'll do it.
Wait, what? Gavin,
Can
wait.
you
Show the camera. Show the camera though.
See?
Ah!
And then you can change the hairstyle like this.
That is creepy, Gavin.
That's how you do it. See?
Why would anyone want something so creepy? This is creepy, but this is, I think this is jelly jam. I think we got a friend for one of our other hair goals.
Scuba baby.
That
We can change
who's
her.
Scuba Baby?
We can.
The one I
we
got
can-
when I
We
opened one
can
off
change
camera.
her hair. Look.
That is creepy. I don't know why would anyone would want something that you have to rip their heads off for.
Not their head.
Okay, well, their head pieces. Because that's kind of creepy.
But Katie
It looks like,
knows.
wait, when you take it off, it looks like that's their brain.
And that is the brain.
Please keep that to yourself. Okay, wait, what hair does she have on the collector's guide?
What hair does she have in the glove? This guy will be tough.
Look, we can change her hair.
Okay, Sophie, we
She has
know.
this. She has that.
These ones, they're not working the way it's supposed to. When
Okay,
they collect. No, Gavin, wait.
I'm gonna change
No.
the hairstyle.
No,
Yes.
I think this is how it's supposed to be. This is the
Gavin,
one she was wearing with the collector's guide, but it doesn't look like that.
Gavin, how about we change it?
No.
Yes.
No!
I agree with Sophie.
No!
I took it off.
Gavin, can you get some water for color changing?
Now look at her hair.
It's awful. Give me.
No.
Do it again, Gavin.
No! Guys, we're here with the water.
And Sophie just ran away.
She didn't run away. But we're gonna dunk her in.
Then we change her hair.
No changing hair. I don't see a color change,
I
Gavin.
think it's underneath her outfit.
It's probably not, Gavin.
There it is.
All of the hair girls have it. She doesn't have a color change.
Yeah, it says she's a color changer.
Maybe this one's not a color change.
Yes, it does. It says all of them are a color changer.
Ew, her hair's sticky.
Cause water.
But why is it sticky?
It's not sticky. It's fun.
Yeah, she didn't change. Let's try again.
Her bathing suit. It kind of looks minty green.
It's still the same. Get out of the way. It doesn't look like it's changed.
Wait, does the skirt color change?
We're
Yeah,
back.
I'm in a new bowl of warm water.
It's really warm.
So now we gotta put it in there before it gets cold. It doesn't look like there's a color change. Let's turn it over.
It says she is.
If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Okay, bye.